the easy guide to online renewal of your California driver's license.
Hello, folks. Today, we're going to talk about a super important topic that affects all drivers in the Golden State: how to renew your California driver's license online. Not only is this process convenient, but it also saves you time from visiting a DMV office. Don't worry, we'll go step by step, making sure it's easy to understand and follow.
Who can renew online?
The first thing we need to establish is who is eligible for online renewal. The DMV allows many California drivers to renew their license online. However, there are exceptions. You cannot renew online if you are under 18 years old or over 70 years old. Your last 2 renewals were not in person. California requires an in-person renewal every 3rd time. You need to take a written test. You have a driver's license that is suspended or revoked. Your license expired over 1 year ago. If none of the above apply to you, congratulations. You are eligible to renew your California driver's license online.
What do you need for the process?
Before starting the process, make sure you have the following: 1. Your current driver's license number. 2. The last 4 digits of your social security number. 3. A credit card or debit card to pay the renewal fee. Remember, being prepared makes the process go smoothly.
How to renew your license online?
Renewing your driver's license online is a simple process. Here are the steps. 1. Visit the California Department of Motor Vehicles online portal. 2. Click on the Online Services tab and select Driver License Renewal. 3. You will then need to follow the prompts to enter your driver's license number, social security number, and birth date. 4. Confirm your personal information and make any necessary updates. 5. Pay the renewal fee using your credit or debit card. 6. Review your application, confirm all the information is correct, and submit your renewal.
How long does it take to get the new license?
After completing the online renewal process, you might wonder, how long will it take to receive my new license? Well, typically, you should receive your new driver's license in the mail within 2 to 4 weeks. If you do not receive your license after 60 days, contact the DMV. And there you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you can renew your California driver's license online, making your life a bit easier. Remember, always keep your driver's license up to date and safe. Drive responsibly, and we hope this guide was helpful to you. Stay tuned for more such informative content.